I do have here two types of filter for my furnace. One is from Kirkland, made in the Philippines. Made in the Philippines. Filter washable. So the three top ones are the furnace filter, and Kirkland. The ones are not Costco, but from see if the one made filter you're gonna fit insert for the filter placement. You need to take it out, then take it out. It's a little bit dirty now. Small things. See, Kirkland. Just a throwaway, and that's made in the Philippines by Torque Filtration. See, airflow. It says airflow, so it is going. Every time I need to do it's like here. 2 hands fits perfect. So now, first thing is to replace my filter. Just all I need is just wash it. I do have furnaces.